Hey there, folks. Today I finally got my Louis Vuitton Murakami Drop 3 release. It's an item I had no intention of buying, and I had no intention of buying anything from this drop, but it's here. We're going to see if I got the packaging. It literally just got dropped off. I've ripped open the little zippy pull, and that's all. We're going to do a complete unboxing right here. Stick around. Hey there, welcome back to my channel. My channel is about treating yourself to a little bit of luxury, whether that be your cup of coffee, your favorite fragrances, skincare, handbags, SLGs, all sorts of fancy schmancy stuff that we like to treat ourselves with because you deserve it. And I I don't know why I did this to myself. Honestly, maybe I felt like I deserved it, and I don't know. The backstory with I really had no intention of buying anything from the Cherries collection whatsoever. It's a cute collection, but it wasn't really the one that I was that excited to get at all. But the release came, and I was happening on YouTube that just kind of scrolling on my lunch break on the day, and I was like, oh, I guess it's the release day. So I hopped on to the app just to see what was there, and I was surprised to find several things still available. Most of it was sold out, but there were still quite a few things available. And I decided to pull the trigger on an item, and it's not something I would have normally considered. But so the reason I picked this particular item was because I was watching a group, and I have a friend in this group. They had a get together, and one of the other gals mentioned using an item as another item, and I started to think that, wow, maybe I could do this with this, and went down a rabbit hole. Anyway, I'm getting ahead of myself. So we're going to look and see if I got the packaging. So like I said, true unboxing, I literally just have opened up this component right there, and I don't know if I got any of the packaging. I have a feeling I probably didn't because my luck is horrible. We'll see. So I'm gonna give you the first look. You tell me, did I get anything? Is it all good? Okay, I see cherries. See a receipt. So have a receipt, which is good because I think I mentioned in one of my weekly resets that since I wasn't intending on buying this item, I'm not sure if I'm going to keep this item. So I'm definitely going to keep the receipt handy because it may or may not work, but that is cute. Okay. Why is the bag dirty? That's strange. There's like a stain on the bag. It's like orange. Did it bleed from the package? That's really strange. There's two orange stains. It's like the box blood onto it, but interesting. That's okay. At least one side's okay. I mean, it's not a big deal, but anyway, so we got the bag, and it looks like I also got stickers, but I didn't get the cherry box, and that is okay. So I'll put that up there. And as you can tell, it is not a bag. Did not get a bag. Those were definitely way sold out before I got to the website. So it is a tiny item. I will put that right there. I got the stickers, which are awesome. And I'm sure you've all probably seen all of these, but cute little envelope. Comes with the collab information. The cherry just fell on the ground. So a single cherry, a cherry blossom, a double cherry, that's nice, a flower, and the hands. And these are my first stickers. I didn't get any with the multicolor launch, and I didn't order anything from the cherry blossom release, so didn't get anything there, obviously. But that was nice. So yeah, we got I got cherries. Nice. They are kind of cute. So I got the ribbon. So there's that thing at least. I didn't get, I guess they made boxes for the small items, but maybe they only made the one like square shaped one, and just anything that's this small wouldn't have made it. So anywho, that's okay. So let's unbox. Let's reveal. So cute silver ribbon, nothing special about it other than being silver. So you can probably guess that it's not an SLG either because of how small it is. But can you guess what it is? Wow, it's got like minimal packaging. Normally these, at least my other item that is similar to this has come in a lot of packaging before. This is the cherry bracelet. And looking at it, I am very doubtful I'm going to be able to keep it because it is way smaller than I thought. So I had hopes they didn't put any sizing on the website, like how long it was. I had hopes that with this extension piece, these little hooks right here, because they'd shown it attached right here, and then this was like additional chain dangling, that it would be able to fit my wrist. That won't even fit a child's wrist. So that's really disappointing. It has 3 charms. So as I was saying in earlier, it's the friend of a friend. Their intention was to buy a bag charm and then double that bag charm as a bracelet. So I thought, reverse logic, I'll buy this bracelet and double it as a bag charm. So that was my whole thought process on this. I won't even get, this won't even fit my wrist. I'm so sad. I mean, I know I'm a big girl. There's nothing I can do about that, but yeah, the chain doesn't even go around my wrist. So sad. Okay, well, it's going back. So I guess that's the really, really quick video that it's not anything that will work for me. And I know, I mean, typically I have to go into like the men's sizing for bracelets, especially at Hermes. And even for LV, I've had to go into, when I've tried them on, I've gone into the men's, like size 21 centimeter is the large size of like the canvas bracelets. I just have I'm fat. Just say it bluntly. And I had just hoped that there would be, yeah, just more. So this is a 17. It says right there on the tag, and it didn't say that online at all. And there were no other size options. So I'm just really, really sad. So, well, I mean, that's the reveal of what I had hoped to have from the collection, but it's going back. So yeah, I'm just bummed. So we'll see what I exchange it for. Yeah, I'm just sad. All right. Well, it's unfortunate. And unfortunately, everything else is sold out. So there's nothing really to exchange it for. The only other thing I was considering was maybe the denim bandeau or the shawl. Like I said, yeah, this wasn't really a collection that I was that excited for. They're cute and all. I mean, I will say they're cute little items, but it just wasn't anything that I had to have. When I saw that, I thought it had potential. I liked the little tiny charms. Oh, and I wore my blooming earrings today. And they have similar types of charms on them. So I was just hoping to have another piece of jewelry that I could double as possibly a bag charm. So, oh well, it's a fail. So it's going back, and that's okay. I shouldn't have bought them, and yeah, it was meant to be. So thanks for coming along on this mini journey. I'll talk about my lips of the day because I'm obsessed with, because of all the cherries this whole year, I guess, that we've been talking about things. This Urban Decay lipstick in the 405, I think I've been wearing it in like every video. Obsessed. Love it. Bright cherry red. I think it's great. So I'll have it in down below the information of what it is, but I've been loving wearing it. So that's the only positive thing that's happening for this video. Really enjoy my lipstick. Anyway, the girls are snoring. They're ready to move on, and this is going to be it for the day. So I'll see you in the next one. Take care. Bye.